Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we will look at the real estate market for the East Bay ending September 30th, 2021. At the end of the video, we will look at what is in store for the rest of the year as well as 2022. Let's first get an overview and then we will get into the different regions in the East Bay. Let's start with Contra Costa County. This is for all types of properties. The number of sales is down by 12.37%. Back in September of 2020, the total number of sales was 1,463 compared to only 1,282 this past September. The number of new listings is also down. It's down by 4.46% from 1,615 to 1,543. The average days on the market went down by 1 day, from 19 days to 18 days. This means that it took 18 days for a property to go pending. The lower this number or the number of days, that means that properties are selling faster. The average sales price is up big, almost 18%, from just under 900,000 to over a million, 1,059,748 to be exact. The list to sell price ratio is up 2.46%, from 102.8% to 105.3%. Meaning this past September, homes were selling on average 5% over their list price as opposed to 2.8% in September of 2020. Let's take a snapshot of Alameda County. The number of sales is different from Contra Costa County. In Alameda County, sales are up by 8.42%, from 1,342 to 1,455. New listings also a different story from Contra Costa County. New listings are up by 2.82%, from 1,669 to 1,716. The average days on the market down from 21 days in September of 2020 to only 18 days this past September. Average sales price up by 14.9%, from 1,046,665 to 1,195,178. The list to sell ratio is up 4.76%. Last year, properties were selling on average 5.4% over the list price. This past September, that number is 10.4%. Now let's look at the different regions around the East Bay and start off with the 880 corridor. The number of homes for sale, only Fremont and Newark are down, 32% and 43% respectively. Alameda, Albany, Castro Valley, and San Lorenzo all up big, over 100%. That's certainly a good sign. The rest of the cities also up. Berkeley up 10%, Hayward up 58%, Oakland up 16%, San Leandro up 60%, and Union City up 38%. Again, this is a good sign because we all know we are in need of inventory. In terms of sales price, only Albany was down by 2% compared to September of 2020. But take a look at the rest of the cities. Even with more inventory, that didn't slow down prices. Berkeley, Castro Valley, Hayward, Newark, Oakland, San Leandro, San Lorenzo, all up over 20%. Alameda and Union City up as well, but less than 20%. The number of homes sold, Castro Valley was down from 54 to 39 homes. Fremont also slightly down by 6%. Oakland and San Lorenzo unchanged and the rest all up. Let's move on to West Contra Costa County. The number of homes for sale a bit mixed. El Cerrito, Hercules, Pinole, and San Pablo all up, while El Sobrante and Richmond both down. Sales prices are all up in West Contra Costa County. El Cerrito and San Pablo leading the way, up 29% and 28% respectively, followed by Pinole and Richmond both up by 17%. Then we have El Sobrante up 14% and Hercules up 8%. The number of homes sold in West Contra Costa County also mixed. El Cerrito, Pinole, and San Pablo all down. El Sobrante up 40%, while Hercules is unchanged and Richmond up 2%. Moving on to Central Contra Costa County. The number of homes for sale mixed. Clayton, Martinez, and Walnut Creek all down, with Walnut Creek down the biggest by 56%. Concord and Pleasant Hill both up. Sales prices are all up as well in Central Contra Costa County. Clayton and Walnut Creek leading the way, up 22% and 15% respectively. Concord up 10%, followed by Pleasant Hill up 5%, and then Martinez up 4%. The number of homes sold a bit mixed. Pleasant Hill down 26% and Concord down 8%. Clayton, on the other hand, up 15%, Martinez also up 10%, and Walnut Creek up 4%. Let's move on to La Miranda. The number of homes for sale, only Moraga is up from 8 properties to 11 properties. Lafayette and Orinda both down, with Orinda down big, 70%. In terms of price, not bad this month. Only Moraga above the 2 million mark. That's up a huge 25% compared to September of 2020. Lafayette up 2% to a measly 1,775,000. Orinda up 7%, a little closer to 2 million, to 1,876,000. The number of homes sold, Orinda unchanged at 31 homes sold, and Lafayette and Moraga both down. Moving on to the Tri-Valley, the number of homes sold all down in the Tri-Valley. Yikes! Take a look at these numbers. Alamo down 50%, Danville down 39%, Dublin down 63%, Livermore down 8%, Pleasanton down 51%. San Ramon down 17%. Sales prices, on the other hand, with demand still high in the Tri-Valley and supply down, yep, you guessed it, prices are all up. Alamo, 2.5 million, up 34%. Danville, a little cheaper at 2 million, up 37%. Dublin, up 46% to 1.6 million. Livermore, 1.1 million, up 26%. Last couple of months, Livermore was the only city in the Tri-Valley below the 1 million mark. Now, it's up there as well. Pleasanton, 1.5 million, up 24%. And San Ramon, 1.6 million, up 30%. Wow, those numbers are dizzying. With less homes for sale, the number of homes sold all down except for Pleasanton, up 10%. Let's move on to someplace less expensive. Let's go to the Delta region. The number of homes for sale, only Brentwood down. But take a look at Antioch, Oakley, and Pittsburgh. All up big. Discovery Bay also up. This is a good sign for buyers. Now, with inventory being up, you would think that would put a little bit of a relief on sales prices. Not the case. Delta prices are all up. The number of homes sold, all down, which is surprising considering inventory is up. Could be a sign of the Delta starting to cool off. That's the East Bay Real Estate Market Report for October 2021. What's in store for October or the rest of the year, and also the coming year? California's COVID situation continues to improve, which means the economy and the housing market should remain strong in 2022 and also the rest of the year. According to the California Association of Realtors, the statewide home sales are expected to dip slightly next year, according to the latest forecast. Demand is forecasted to remain strong. The lack of inventory and higher home prices will continue or will push sales down for the coming year. I think also another contributing factor will be mortgage interest rates increasing. The statewide median home price is forecasted to rise 5.2% to $834,400 in 2022, following a projected 20.3% increase of $793,000 in 2021 from $659,000 in 2020. This is the first time statewide median prices are going to be above $800,000. While mortgage rates are projected to start climbing, it might stay a little bit longer on the lower end. But rates are very hard to forecast, so this is something to really keep an eye out if you're thinking of buying. The expectations for the coming months, few expect prices to continue to increase next week. That's on a statewide level. Mainly because we are approaching the end of the year and things start to slow down during the holidays. As a matter of fact, the early numbers for the first week of October dropped. It dropped to the lowest level since late February, while new active listings declined to the lowest level since January. So with cooler months up ahead, will we see prices cool off here in the Bay Area? Honestly, I doubt it. While there is a slowdown in real estate activity in the broader general market, here in the Bay Area, it's pretty much a year-round thing. What do you guys think? Will the market slow down? And if it does, is it only seasonal? I would love to read your comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.